Hi guys, good evening. It's evening over here and welcome back to my videos. So my name is NdatseNdomo, and if this is your first time watching any of my videos, you're welcome to my channel. I'm gonna leave my face at the end of the video so you can subscribe. So I'm sure you guys have missed my CEO and entrepreneurship chit chat, and today I have someone very special. And when he agreed to come on my channel, I was like so blown away. He was so gracious about it. I moved timing so many times and he was still so gracious enough to grant me this interview. So guys, please say welcome to Mr. Adewale Aladejana.
Thank you so very much. Thank you.
And
such a pleasure to be here.
Thank you. It's such a pleasure to have you as well. And he's actually a mass comm graduate, but right now he's the master perfumer for Sapphire SCENTS, with the headquarters in Abuja, Nigeria, but they currently sell all over the world. So of course you guys know how I like to draw out wisdom and knowledge from my CEOs and my entrepreneurs. So you guys are going to learn a lot from Mr. Adewale. So please don't stop, don't pause, because you're going to learn a lot from him. So Mr. Adewale, do you have anything to add to my introduction of you?
Just to add that I'm 100% self-taught, never been to any perfume school, never taken any courses in perfumery. It's just a gift.
Oh, I didn't even see that coming. Wow. So you learned it just on your own?
On my own, absolutely.
How is that possible? How did that come up? Tell us the story. Tell us the story.
It's just a gift that God gave me. Just like Michael Jackson. Nobody taught Michael Jackson to dance. You know, he just looked at stuff and he began to do stuff. You know, so the same way, it just happened that I just always had this gift that if I smelled a perfume on you once, I could, and I knew the name. Anywhere I see that, you know, anywhere someone wears the same perfume and walks past me, I can tell exactly what you're wearing.
Wow.
And that's how it's been. And in 2015, you know, I was in a rough place and I just needed to do something for extra money, and the idea came to me, why don't you start selling perfumes? You know?
Wow.
And that's how we started. And here we are.
Wow, that is so impressive. I would never have thought that, because I always thought when I follow you on Instagram and everything. By the way, I'll leave his Instagram handles and his social media handles on the website so you guys can go follow and check him out. I always used to think okay, you came for a training in Dubai and then someone told you about perfumes and then you started, self-taught. So you guys have no excuse. Okay, so my first actual question for you is, perfumery is such an untapped industry in Nigeria, and you're actually doing it very well. So how did you get started?
Okay, so in 2015 I had a friend walk past me and he smelled so amazing, and I asked him questions. What kind of fragrance is this? He said, oh, it's the kind of fragrance you can get in the Middle East. Like, where exactly? He said Dubai. So I had one friend coming down from Dubai and I said, bring me a bottle of this perfume. And she did, and the idea came to me to start selling the perfumes. Wow. So I started selling, you know, good perfumes that were not mine, and then in time I migrated to creating my own fragrances. So so that's how we started. You know.
Can I ask, how much capital did you start with?
With 30,000 naira, I had just 30,000 naira with 4 bottles, and that's how we started. You know.
30,000.
Yeah.
And now your business is worth over millions.
Yeah, we're entering the billionaire market this year by God's grace.
Even I am so impressed. I want to act all composed, but I'm so impressed. Wow, well done, Mr. Wale.
Thank you.
So, okay, how did you get to the point of proving yourself in a relatively unknown industry? Because when I think of perfumes in a country like Nigeria, it won't really click. So, how did you get to the point where I see on your Instagram page, you give celebrities your perfume in a special packaging, you give politicians, it's like luxury. So how did you get to that point where people recognize perfume is a thing, and our own Nigerian, our own homegrown can actually build an empire from this?
You see, people need to understand, you know, many people are looking outside instead of looking inside. You know, you can only bring out originality from the inside, not from the outside.
Wow.
You know, and I didn't start perfuming because I saw someone do it and oh, that person is doing well, I need to be like this person. It was just a gift that I had, and I just began to tap into it. And I got to a stage where I had a client come to meet me. Then I was still selling other people's fragrances, and he said to me, while I'm going for an important meeting, can you mix something for me, something special, so that from the car park they begin to smell me? Wow. And I said, okay, let me see what I can do. So I mixed this perfume for this my client, and he went for a meeting at the State House and walked past the First Lady.
Whoa.
And she called him back and said, "Young man, what perfume is that?"
Oh wow!
You know, and
so
that was
impressive.
the beginning. That was the beginning. And, you know, it brought me a lot of confidence. I knew that okay, if I can curate something that people of that caliber appreciate, then I mean, I could start doing my own fragrances. So
wow! But did you always know you had this gift, and did you always plan to kind of use it to like making your paycheck your passion, or it just kind of happened? You're like, let me use my gifts to.
It was just a plaything, you know. Wow. I would walk past people and tell them, "Oh, that's what you're wearing," and they'll be like, "Ah, how did you know that?"
Wow.
And I'll be like, "I just know," and they're like, "Wow, that's special," and that was all. I never for once thought we were going to touch money.
Wow.
Money.
Okay, so my third question for you is, okay, I want to talk about your packaging.
Right.
How did you get that? How did you get that concept? Because the packages are so unique. Like you put the picture on the wooden box. How did you come up about that?
Well, you see, most people they look down on Nigerian stuff. Once you say something in Nigeria, they begin to feel, oh, there has to be stuff standard, there has to be this.
True.
But I didn't want any of that. I needed to do something really creative, something that truly stood out. You know, we spent a lot of money. You know, I would walk into many perfume stores and I'll smell their fragrances, and I knew they were not special. All they had was better quality packaging.
True.
You know, and when God began to lift our business, one of the first decisions I made was to make something really spectacular, something that was totally irresistible. A perfume must be pretty, it must smell good, you know, and I wanted to combine both. So it cost us like over $40,000 to create our bottles.
Whoa.
You know, and the packaging and the cases and everything, you know, and wherever anyone sees it all over the world, they always go like, wow, this is different.
Yeah, it's really different. It's really different, and
that's
really
what we set out to do.
Wow. But this $40,000 you mentioned, is it money? Is it profit from the business you already started, or you had like extra investment?
Well, it was an investment. It was an investment, yeah.
But then the major thing is you started with 30,000 naira, which is less than $100. So nobody has an excuse.
Yes.
Okay, so in a country like Nigeria, I know that you're going to have challenges in your business. What challenges do you face like on a daily basis, and how do you overcome them?
Well, you'll be shocked that one of the biggest challenges we faced was acceptability. It was acceptance. You know, people were thinking, okay, this is a Nigerian brand making perfumes. Let me see what, and the price is not even. You know, we didn't set out to let's be competitive. We just set out. It was luxury. Either you could afford it or you could not afford it. You know, we set it apart.
So it's good to carve your niche from the beginning.
Exactly. Wow. So that's one of the things we did. But in time, you know, it just began to grow. People began to realize that, wow, this, and it was oil. You know, the Abid Nigerians used to spray perfumes.
Yeah.
You know, these ones were oil. They were not sprayed. Wow. So, you know, when time, you know, we broke that. We broke that jinx, and we're doing great.
And now, like, people accept you for what it is because you've been able to prove yourself in the market. Wow, that's so interesting. Okay, so someone once said, sometimes the challenge is not getting to the top, but staying there. How would you keep yourself as number one in this industry?
Well, you see, the problem with people is they feel they've arrived. You get? They feel they've arrived. I will never arrive. You know, when I hear people say that, oh, Sapphire, I'm looking at them like, what are you even talking about? You know, I constantly surround myself with people that are bigger than me. At the lobby downstairs, that was Michael Body. Michael Body makes perfumes for the biggest people in the world. For the Obamas, Kate Moss, Naomi Campbell, Rihanna, name it, you know. Been there, done that. I mean, when he was coming down here, Donatella Versace called him and said, oh, so you're going to be, you know, those are the kind of people we're talking about here. Yeah. So I don't give myself any space to feel like you know,
I've gotten there, so
I
let me relax.
surround myself with people that have bigger dreams, bigger visions. You know, they've done stuff way bigger than me. You
surround yourself with your mentors, so it's very, very important to have mentors.
Very important.
Wow. Okay, my next question for you is, what quotes do you live by?
Well, one of my most powerful quotes is, make sure that anyone who whatever looks down on you, whatever downgraded you, realize that they made a mistake.
Yeah. That is like knife in the chest. That was so good. Yeah, that's true, because aside from proving to yourself that you can do it, it's also good to prove to people who never believed that you would do it, or never thought that they would see you become something.
Exactly.
Okay, so finally, can you leave a word of encouragement to young entrepreneurs out there on how to keep pushing, keep believing that their dreams are valid, to just start? I mean, you started with less than $100. Nobody has, I feel like, even the excuses I tell myself are not even valid. So like, can you give like a word of encouragement to all the youth out there, people maybe struggling in their career life or trying to start a business, or already started a business but don't really know what to do about it? So can you like motivate the youth out there?
All right, place value on what you have. Don't look down on it. Don't feel that it's nothing, because it's something. And trust me, that is all you have. It's going to be the only platform you ever have to live a better life. I've been there, you know. I've been there from the days of nothing to what God is doing right now, and it's mind-blowing. But if I looked down on what God gave me,
that's true.
It'll still be the same old story. But so don't look down on your gift. Pay attention to it, develop it. Don't look at it as a local thing. Make it global. Make it global. You know, surround yourself with people that have done stuff with what they have. You know, anytime you want to get motivated, just look at Michael Jackson. You know, he has 2 hands, 2 legs, a head just like you, and he did something creative about it that made him stand out. So whatever your gift is, you can make it stand out. You can be the Michael Jackson, you can turn your gift into Michael Jackson, you know, and the world will love you for it.
True, the world will eventually come to appreciate you for it, because you're improving people's lives, creating jobs and everything. Okay, actually I have one final question.
Okay.
How do you plan to take your business beyond the short? I know you're already like doing trainings in Dubai and everything, and you told me your next one is going to be in France. But like when it comes to like global sustainability, how do you think a Nigerian brand can become globally recognized? Like how we have Versace, everybody recognizes it globally. How do you plan to take Sapphire SCENTS to that level where everybody recognizes Sapphire SCENTS?
Well, 2 ways. One of which we're already doing is by registering distributors all over. Right now we're in 19 states of Nigeria, the UK, US, Ghana, Canada, Cyprus, Ireland.
Wow. Okay, you already go well.
Yeah, we're still going. Wow. You know, so what I'm trying to do right now is, you know, from August, you know, we'll be in London, and then we'll do France, and you know, and we'll keep on like that. So just keep on promoting our business in all those places and letting more people know about it. Yeah. And, you know, the world is a global village already, so distance is not really a barrier any longer. You know, so that's one of the things we're trying to do. So we harness on that, and then we do franchising as well.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
Wow, I really like the concept. So that's your plan for your business, is like franchising, having a network of distributors. That's very good. So impressive, guys. So that's it, guys. You guys have heard a lot from Mr. Adewale Aladejana. I hope I didn't destroy your name.
Yes, it is.
And he has been so gracious. He granted me this interview, even though the timings were not convenient for him. But you guys, my viewers, you guys know that I will do anything to bring some motivation and some wisdom to this channel for you. So that's it for this video, guys. Until my next video, I'm NdatseNdomo on Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and of course, YouTube here. If you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe by clicking the red button down below, or click on my face. I'm going to leave it at the end of this video, and you would always get a notification anytime and every time I post a video. And don't forget, I'm going to leave Mr. Wale's social media handles, his website, his contact details, in case you want to be a distributor. You've heard from him. He started his business with less than $100, and today he's a global brand. So we all have no excuse. Even I am really challenged, and it takes a lot to challenge me. Even I am really challenged. So make sure you guys follow him and see an update on his life, on how he moves his business forward. The packaging is so nice. I'm going to leave pictures and videos at the end of this video as well. So thank you guys for watching. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Can you say bye?
Bye.